layers. And then, so there was a black one, like this. And it's already removed. Then today we are going to remove the green part, green bark.
Yeah, they put that.
And Fuji, the family house,
And
especially
then you
in
get to
Kyoto.
the top and you're like, what?
Yeah, Fuji was.
Yeah, if you go to Kyoto.
Out of you.
His family's
Well, Kyoto is also notorious.
I saw something interesting, a video the other day about when the dry see the food in the background with the weird truck.
30分おきぐらいに様子見に来て上と下とを上と下と返しますけどあんまり何回もいけない。
So probably every 30 minutes we have to flip around, but we don't really want to touch so much, otherwise the fiber will be. We start from the edge and make sure not to damage the fiber.
ちょっとゴミが
Generally speaking, I love when you form sheets and the sheets of paper are just
Proof the water is even on the frame. So make sure when you shake the frame, you hear this sound.
ほんで最後に向こうに集めたものをバネを利用して
And drain the water from this side using the spring.
Do you like switch off like one of those ones? Sweet, it's so pretty. Like
So that's the position. Once everything is clean,
ついてるのが、
うんきれいきれい。おお。はい。で下ろしてで少しはい。
And you should never let it dry out like that. You should always have water. I think you might be favoring your right. I like there's more tension in this arm than that arm. You want to, as long as it's not, yeah. You're building up a nice even surface now.
Yeah, the newer boards are lighter.
can do paper making.
We're going to go to the machine made section of the house. And then lunch.
So after brushing it out, if you get a little bit of a wrinkle, as you saw her do, you can kind of just lift it back up and then brush it out so that it's nice and flat. So be careful, but it's forgivable.
So papermaking was invented in China in about 105 AD. They don't necessarily look and see washi as, contemporary for their artworks. We are trying to change that slowly, but overseas artists are more open to make fine art on washi. Yeah, it's really interesting. And I write here, how may you use it? Fine art, conservation, product design, bookbinding, hobby, photography, packaging, lighting, stationery, fashion. I don't know. How else? Tell me if you have an idea during the next few days. And thank you for your attention. And welcome to Awagami. Hope you're enjoying so far. The physical labor will start very soon. And the cooking we will check on very soon as well. So that's everything I have for you. San Francisco, the other program. Maybe John F. Kennedy University. There's a book art school. It's also selectively pruned because you want the nutrients to go to the stronger branches, right? So other fibers that come from Southeast Asia, they just go in the forest and chop it all. They don't really selectively cut. So you really want the strong fiber, so you want the strong plant, you want the strong branch.
So these are indigo leaves.
Can they come in there now?
Yeah, come in.
Better.
So she's speaking like that. So this side has to be on the cotton.
Face down.
Yeah, face down. Start from the edge.
Yeah, there's a lot of happenstance unknown.
So make sure leaves are dry. So if the leaves are wet, you can wipe this cloth.
Oh.